Today I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow cloud. For this you will need some white paper, some different coloured sheets of paper, some glue, some scissors, a pencil or a pen, maybe a ruler, and some googly eyes. But if you can't get googly eyes, that's fine, just use a pen. So, to start, take your piece of white paper and draw a cloud shape. Cut this out using your scissors. When you have your cloud, you're now ready to start making your rainbow. So, take your coloured paper, and what we're going to do is cut them into strips. I'm going to measure mine so they're all the same. So I'm going to do 2 centimetres across by 12 centimetres down. Something like that. And I'm going to do one of those on each piece of paper. I'm now going to stick my coloured strips on to my rainbow with some glue. There's a song that I can sing to help me remember the order of the colours of the rainbow. It goes, red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can see a rainbow, see a rainbow, see a rainbow too. And there you go, a rainbow cloud. I bet lots of you have already drawn rainbow pictures to put in your windows. So now, you can put the cloud in your windows as well. Until next time.